So guys, welcome to my channel. How to download brother MFC-T920DW driver. So Google search box to type as it is, okay, and then this is official website brother.in partner, and right click to new tab. Okay, this printer all in one. Then click to scroll down and click to support. Download driver, view driver, Mac. They select OS, Windows, Mac, Linux and mobile. So select the Windows and select operating system which is using. This is both server and 9, 10, 11, 8.17 like that is supporting. Then click select the operating system, then click to OK. Okay, so this is actually full drive with software. This is all drivers with software which is scanning, detecting and all and everything. This is size of big 236. Okay, and this is drivers, only drivers like printer driver, scanner driver for USB. This is driver. Okay, so not include any software and all plugin like that. This is firmware. Install, how to install, you can install in your system and then run with connect to USB with your printer. Okay, this is actually tool, network connections, repair tool and port installer and like that. So you can troubleshoot if you facing some issues. Okay, and driver development, and this is also management tool. So I show you how to download. Click the full driver and package software. This is best actually, and then click to agree and download. Now this is starting. This is guys install, or click to location. So this file and right double click on this. This is extract to see users, creating folder. This is and then extract the data. So double click to open and then yes. So guys, this is exe file install. Okay, this one. So you can right click to run as an administrator. Okay, so it is already open. Select your installations language. Next, I agree, license agreement. Then guys, there are three type to install: by wireless, by LAN and by local USB. Okay, so if you install Wi-Fi, so you have to configure IP address in this printer. Otherwise you can install the LAN cable. So only connect the cable and then select the next automatically configured. Okay, and this is local. So next, and now this is connecting and finding the printer. So connect to printer with your system with cable, and then next to install it, then restart after it's completed. Thank you.